Are you interested in participating in Canada's crypto market without constantly tracking price charts or mastering complex trading strategies? Finotraze provides an automated investment system designed to manage the entire trading process on your behalf. Using advanced algorithms, the platform streamlines every step, allowing you to get started quickly and with minimal effort. Setup takes only a few minutes, and registering through the link provided unlocks full platform access along with a special welcome incentive. Built specifically with Canadian users in mind, Finotraze aims to help individuals grow their digital portfolios through a structured and technology-driven approach. Whether you are new to crypto or simply looking to move away from manual trading, the platform delivers a more organized and time-efficient experience. Operating around the clock, its AI continuously monitors market activity, evaluates patterns, refines strategies, and places trades automatically. The system adapts to shifting market conditions while staying within the risk settings and objectives you choose. There's no need for prior trading experience. Once you define your preferences, the software handles execution and ongoing portfolio adjustments. Registration through the official link ensures your bonus is applied instantly. A defining feature of Finotraze is its self-improving AI framework. Rather than relying on fixed rules, the technology evolves by analyzing performance data and reacting to real-time market developments. It incrementally enhances its decision-making process, functioning like a dedicated market analyst who works non-stop, free from emotional bias or fatigue. Security and compliance remain central priorities. The platform aligns with Canadian regulatory standards, including KYC and AML procedures, and uses robust encryption technologies to protect user information. Data is maintained within certified, secure cloud infrastructures. The onboarding process is straightforward, customer assistance is readily available, and the interface is accessible even for beginners. After you establish your financial targets, the system takes over daily operations. Keep in mind that the promotional bonus is only available through the designated link. Finotraze is designed as a long-term solution rather than a short-lived trading tool. Whether you aim to generate passive returns, broaden your investment mix, or approach crypto in a more systematic way, the platform adjusts as your goals evolve. Availability of the bonus and unrestricted access depends on the validity of the invitation link, so timely registration is recommended. The AI technology powering Finotraze relies on sophisticated models capable of processing extensive data sets in real time. Instead of depending solely on basic chart patterns, it incorporates historical pricing, sentiment indicators, and developing trends to inform its actions. This data-driven methodology helps maintain consistency and transparency across different market conditions, from stable periods to heightened volatility. Engaging with crypto markets doesn't need to feel overwhelming. With the technical aspects managed automatically, you can concentrate on your broader financial objectives and long-term growth. Access the link in the description to activate your welcome bonus while it remains available.